Welcome back to the final chapter, part 6 of the 2001 Honda Goldwing GL1800 Teardown series. It's been a long road through this 1832cc flat 6, and today we're pulling the last components out of the case. The connecting rods, pistons, gears, and shift assemblies, bringing this teardown to a close. We're starting with the OEM connecting rods, 13201-MCA-000. These are the pieces that are responsible for turning combustion into motion. Each piston runs in perfect horizontal opposition, balanced to cancel vibration. That's what gives the Goldwing its signature smoothness. It's a big beefy crankshaft. Take a look at it. Perfectly balanced. It's got some weight on it also. Like I mentioned earlier, this is part 6 to the disassembly of this engine. You see the screwdriver flying. So it's been determined. I now know that this gear that I've been trying to remove does not remove from the front. So as you can see, I'm trying to prevent spin. Give it another try. It's not spinning at all, no. Look at that, guys. Came off. How beefy that is. That's the final drive gear, 35 tooth. That's the last stop before all the power hits the rear wheel. That final drive gear is very important. Plate B, it's the bearing setting plate. Keeps that gear set in place. Now we're focusing on the shift assembly. Another plate to keep the bearing in place. Now we're removing the shift fork shaft, 24251 MCA 000. And there's one shifter fork, two, and the third shifter fork, 24211 MCA 000. Gearshift Drum, 24300 MCA S40. The brain of the gearbox. As the rider shifts, the drum rotates and guides the shift forks into the exact gear location. Honda engineered with this perfect machining tolerances to handle hundreds of thousands of shifts. So as you guys see, I'm having difficulty. I guess I was tired of removing the countershaft. And that's the countershaft first gear, 38 tooth. It's a tough, heavy gear that takes the initial load from the engine. And finally, the countershaft with all other gears from the 5-speed transmission needs to come out, but my brother's having a very hard time removing. The space in between is just so tight. So we're almost at the end, guys. At this point, all major. Okay, here we go. We got Mark. Big Mark had to come through and show me how easy it was to remove the countershaft with the gears. Look at that. This teardown was not about destruction. It was about preservation. Every component tells a story about Honda's craftsmanship and why the Goldwing remains one of the most trusted touring bikes ever made. At Midwest Moto Parts, that's our mission, to keep these bikes alive, one part at a time. I'm Slick, and this is what we do. Real bikes, real parts, real stories. Thank you.